Coffee maker, single-serve coffee machine for single-cup pot and coffee ground, 30 Oz removable reservoir, compact coffee brewer with 6 to 14 ounces. Brew sizes, black. 2-in-1 COFFEE brewer, whether make a coffee with coffee pods or brew a cup of coffee with coffee ground. You can use capsule or ground function in the on-cup coffee machine. There are 3 buttons of size, capsule and ground to meet your needs. 5 cup sizes. You can select the size to brew 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 Oz coffee with size button. The removable drip tray accommodates cup or travel mugs up to 7.0 tall. Brew hot coffee in 3 minutes. Want to drink delicious and hot coffee within 3 minutes? Just simply add water to the 30 Oz removable water tank, insert a capsule, or pour into some ground coffee, then click on the corresponding button to brew your hot coffee. 1 button control and auto shut-off function. Simple one-touch button makes it easy to brew your favorite coffee. Preparing ground coffee or capsule pods, add water, press button, then auto shut-off after brewing, which ensures safety. Save your space. Size 13x9x 5-inch. This coffee machine saves counter space, which is very suitable for small places like room, kitchen, office, RV, hotel, apartment. You can conveniently carry in your every trip. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.